Anyway, we will move to the set operators today. So usually operators means actually we are working with data. You remember, so we are working with internal data. So how the
Yeah.
set operator will work? So before we are moving to the set operator, we should know what is the other operator. Actually, if you want to combining the two text, I have like a and one more text is a B. So how you have to merge this text to text? So do you remember? So we have to use one operator to merging these two text.
Concatenation.
Exactly, super. Concatenation operator will be used for merging the two texts. So it is automatically two different texts will be coming into the one. So I have the numbers like that. So now they are telling to you, so add this number. So two numbers will be merging, right? So what operator you will use? Any arithmetic operator we can use for the combining or like it will be coming
No,
into
like
the same.
it's addition.
So if I add like this means, so it will also comes to the one single column. So like
Hmm.
we can add the two characters is fine, we can add the two numbers is fine. So now we will try to add the two queries. So this is a one query, and one more query is actually I just this is a one query and this is a one query. So if you want to add two queries, then actually we need for the set operators. So in this case only we are moving into the set operators. Okay, so the set operator is used to merging the multiple queries, not only single query, we can merging the multiple queries, we can merge like this. So one more set operator I need to use, and I can put it into the query in here. So this is what actually the set operator is doing. Anyway, so I'm just going with the definition. It is used to select the data from, it is used to select the data from more than one SQL statement or multiple SQL statement at a time. So actually for the set operator is used to more than it is used to select the more than one SQL statement, which means we have the different queries, right? We can select the different SQL queries and multiple SQL statement at a time. So this is what actually the set operator. We have there are many types we have in that set operator. Like there are four types we have. So the first type is the union. There are four
Okay,
types.
in union intersection, we used to have the.
Exactly. That is the thing. Another one is a union all. Third one is intersect. Fourth one is minus. So these are all the set operators we have. So four set operators. Now we will go to each by each. So what is a union? So union means like it is used for merging the two queries. Anyway, set operator will always doing for the same thing only. Then what is a specific purpose of this one? So before moving into the specific purpose, how can we have to use this set operator into our query? We need to know that. So actually, so set operator, I have the one table. So like this table, I have select star from. Uh, I can put one more thing. Select star from employees. Did you ran that employee table? So did you which
Yeah.
did I give that query? So that employees table query.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I just checked it is there or not. Yeah, for mine also it is there. Okay, so now I have the one query select star from employees. Now again I am going to in this place actually, or else I will do one thing. I'm going to create one more table. So as of now you are not understanding how to creating the tables. So I'm just using for the existing table means it will not get clear idea, because I want to show to the exactly things. So you can consider as a I have the T1 table and the T2 table. These are all the two tables I have. T1 table as one, T2 table as one, two, two, three, three, four, five. So you can consider like this. So I have the two tables. One is a T1 table and another one is a T2 table. This is what my table, and this table will I'm going to be creating now itself only. So you don't worry about that how that table creation, how we are going to be inside in future. We will learn everything so step by step. So as of now, I just created myself. Okay, now I just prepare the two different tables. Okay, so you can see I have the one table like a T1 table. In this table I have the this data. So 1 2 3 4, this is the data, and one more table I have that the table has the T2 table. In this table actually I have the 1 2 3 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will try to go work with the. If you want, I just having the same query as well to you. I will given to this query as well to you. You can also run the same query. I will explain to you in your future how to create the table and how to insert these things. Everything I will explain to you. So as of now, we will move to the union. So what is a union? Union means actually it is used to just like we can merging the two different queries. Like we have the two different queries means like I have the these two queries. Select star from T1 and select star from T2. So as of now, I have run that only one query like this and one more query if I run like this. So without semicolon, if I run this one, it will definitely throw the error. You can see it is showing to the select statement. Why it is throwing the error as a select statement? Okay, 1 minute. I just go to the snow site. Uh, there you can see easily the error. We can easily identify the in snow site actually easily highlighted the error which place actually is throwing the error. In Snowflake Web UI, it doesn't show exactly the highlighting things. It will show like a select is unexpected like that only. I will go in here. Now I just ran to this one. So now you can see this is exactly highlighted. So which line actually we have the error? Second line we have the error, but looks like everything fine, right? So if I'm just selecting and ran this query, it will working fine. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 is there. If I ran the T2 table also 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 is there. So everything is fine. But the thing is, if I ran the both query simultaneously, it will throw the error. So which means like it is a whole query. So I already told whole query, if the query has any one class will comes, then again others if any one select statement, sorry, if any one select class or from class or where class, if any one class will come already, again we cannot give the class again and again, so it will not work. Okay, so that is the reason it's throwing the error, because already I have using the select class, next is the from class. Now the query is reading from the beginning from here in itself. Now whenever it comes to in here, automatically it got failed because this select already it came like that, it's throwing the error. So what we need to do, so in this case actually we are using for the union operator. So I just using for this union operator in this place. Now I just trying to run. So instead of nothing, I just did for union in this place only. So now union is there, so just ran the query. Now you can see automatically the query will run without throwing the error. Now this is how we have to using for the set operators. So before the set operator is used to intermediate level of the both queries. So set operators I have to using on this place. So there are four set operators we have, right? So all the four operators we are going to be in working on this place. Okay, anyway, we understand how we have to use the set operators. So whenever the query comes to the end, after that we have to using for the set operator. Then if you want to again the query means I can use for the set operator like this. So again I just want to the writing the select statement. So this is how the set operator will work. Okay, so now we will move to how actually this union operator is working. So what is the concept of this union operator? Anyway, set operator we understand, because of set operator is used to merging the both queries. Now we will go to the specific reason, like what is the exact output will comes to the union operator. So union operator is used to, first of all, it will take all the data from here. So what is the T1 data? So 1 2 3 4, this is a T1 data. I just copied this data in here and I put it into here. So next one is a what is it? T2 data. So that is a T1 is a above one, so T2 is a below one. So I just copied into the T2 in here. So this is what actually set operator is doing. So first of all, it will take all the data from the above table, put it into here, and below table put it into the below records. Okay, now the set operator will start to working. Set operator means it is used to actually removing the duplicates. Once after result will come, automatically it will remove the remove the duplicates. Actually set operator is actually used to I will put it to the set operator definition directly. It is used to combining the multiple queries. It is used to combine the multiple queries. Okay, so now we'll go to the union operator. Union operator, how it is working. So like you can see, these are the combining is working. Now we are going into how it is combining. So what is specifically working for the union operator? Union operator is automatically it is removing the duplicates, which means it is removing the duplicates. So under combining the both, under combining the, or else we should put it into this one first. Combine the all the queries and it is removing the duplicate. Now you can see the first step is combining the all the queries. So you can see this is the first query and second query also both are combined. Then what will do, then it will be removing the duplicates. So what are all the duplicates? Duplicate means already if the data it's came, then again the data it's coming into the again and again, means that is what actually we are calling as a duplicate. So already one is came, so that is a original data. If again another one will come, means already one is there, means, right? So that is a whenever it's coming to the again the same value, that value is calling as a duplicate value. Okay, now I just remove this duplicate and you can see 2 is also is there, so I can just remove the 2 is 2 also, 3 is also is there, so we can remove the duplicate 3 also. So 4 is not duplicate and 5 is not duplicate. Now this is what actually the union operator will work. So I'm just trying to query this one. So now you can see the how the union operator will throw output. So now you can see we are expected as a 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Exactly, this is what the union operator will work. So you understand how the union operator will work, it is working.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So the next one is a union all operator. Union all operator means it is also same like a union. So it is also combining the all queries, like I just using the same text in here. So it is also working on the same, so combining all the queries, but it is not removing the duplicate, but it is not removing the duplicate. But union will remove the duplicate, union all will not removing the duplicate. Actually this is one of the interview question, what is the difference between union and union all? So union and union all both will combining the all the queries, union will removing the duplicate value, but union all will not removing the duplicate values. So whatever the data it will be there in that both table, all the data will be displaying like in here. So how can we have to using the union all operator? Instead of union operator we can put in this place as a union all. So in this case actually we are using this one. So now you can understand. So t1 table is there. So first of all, what are all the t1 table data, it is first placing into the first values. So like that it should be coming into here. So the next one is the t2 values. So now I just copied into the t2 values in here and going into in this place. Now it will be coming into the like this. So now is it doing for the duplicate removal? No, it is not doing, it is not going to be removing the duplicates. It's just whatever it has the data, like t1 data and t2 data, whatever it has, it just like it is, it will be going to be displayed as of it. So now you can see I just ran. So one, already we have the 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 till 4 is there, and again it comes to the 1 2 3 5. So 1 2 3 5. You understand how its union all will work? So it is also combining all the query, but it is not
Yeah.
removing the duplicate. But union will removing the duplicates. So this is what actually the union and the union all work. So anyway, so comparing with union and comparing with the union all will take more time, because you can see this will removing the duplicate. So if we have the 500 data, we can consider as a 500 data. So there are 300 data will coming into the duplicates only. So 300 data are duplicates only. So if I ran the union all, means like the union all will show the all 500 data. But if I run the union, means how many data will come through the union?
200.
Exactly, 200. So comparing with getting the data, 200 is coming faster than 500, because 500 is a very high. So it will be coming into the that is the reason actually union will work very fast and union all will work slow compared with the union, because that union all will take all the data, union will get the specific data like without unique data only. So this is what actually union and union all comparison. So now we will move to the intersect. So the intersect means like now we have to understand the intersect concept. That is actually it is actually going to be combining the both data. So which data it is be a unique, that data only going to be it's going to be a display. So how can we have to using the intersect means like we can put instead of this union null, I just remove and I just add the intersect on here. So in this case also T1 and T2 data will combining. So this is the same record I'm just taking, sorry, same context. So combining the all the queries, which means like it will be going to be taking the all the query. So already this is what actually for my whole query. I just took this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is a T1 table, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is a T1 table, and T2 is a 1, 2, 3, 5. This is what actually T2 table. So what will going the intersect how it is going to be work means like it will be taking the just comparing with both data. So which data is common, that data only coming to the display. Common means it's just comparing with the same data. So one is there. T1 one is there, T2 also one is there. So then one is a common data. T2 is there, T2 is also is there. So it will be just combining with both data. So in sorry, combining with both table data. So T1 if it has the one, the same data it should be there in the T2 as well. So if it is there, then it comes to the place. So 2 is also is there, 2 we can put, 3 we can checking the 3, 3 is also is there. So 3 we can put, and 4, 4 you can see there is a no 4 in this place, right? So we don't having the 4 in the T2 table. Same kind of thing. So like you can see one already it's combined, so it's already came, and 2 just checking into in this place, 2 is also came, 3 is also it's came, so it's came, like a 5 is just going to be combining with this place. So now you can see there is any equal 5 in this place actually. Do we have any equivalence for the T1 table? We don't have the equivalence, right? Because only 4 is there in this T1 table, has also 5 means it will come. So now the result will comes like a 1, 2, 3. So we'll check how the result will be generated for the intersect. So whatever the data is common data only, it will be going to be displayed from the T1 T2 table. So like you can see 1, 2, 3, this is what actually we are expected output. So exactly 1, 2, 3 it came. So this is actually in intersect is working. So combining the all the queries,
Like 3
and
to 1, is there anything order?
no, that is not order wise, like it
Okay.
is just it's game
Random.
randomly it's booking. Yeah, sometimes it will comes to the 2, 1, 3 like that also will come. Combining all the queries and displaying the common data only. Common data means all queries should have the common data, so then only it will be coming to the result. Okay, this is what actually intersect. Do you understand the intersect how it is working?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, great. So the next one is the minus operator. So minus operator is a little bit complicated, not like that much of complicated. It will be a understanding purpose actually. So minus operator also working as the same. It is combining the all the query as well as the all four operators will works for the combining the both queries. So I just using for this query inside my. Uh, I just using this same query instead of the intersect. I put it into the minus symbol into here. Okay, so now how the minus will work. So anyway, the all data will comes to in this place. So this is what my all the data. So now what will do this minus operator is it is just going to be comparing the T1 table to T2 table. So actually we have the T1 table to T2 table. Whoever not matched in the T1 table, those record only will come, which means like whoever not matched into the first table.
4
So
and 5.
no, that is a fifth. That is a second table. It is not going to be check unmatched record in the T2 table. It is going to be check only for the T1 unmatched
Okay.
record, which means 1 equal to 1 is there. So it is a rejected record. 2 is 2 also is there. So this will not comes to in here. 3 equal to 3 is also is there. So 4 is there. But 4 doesn't have any equivalence, then the output will comes to the 4 only. Anyway, you can see in this place actually we have the 5, but in this 5 will not going to be check in this T1 table because it is just validating the data from the T1 table
You
to
want to
T2
take.
table. Exactly. So it will never consider who are all not matched in the T2 table. So as of now we are understanding that is the output should be 4. So we just try to run
But
this
if we
query.
reverse like from T2 to T1, then it will take anything.
Exactly. If I'm just did for the reverse, then automatically will 5 will be coming into the output. Okay. So now you can see 4 will come. Now I'm just trying to remove the T1. Just put it to the T2 in that. Like I just did for the swapping T1, T2 and T2. sorry, T1. If I ran this one, like now you can see this table has been coming into the fifth one, because the 5 only the unmatched record according to the T2 table, right? You understand? Yeah. Okay. So this is what the minus operator is working. Anyway, so now we will complete for the all the union of all the set operator. Now we are going to be as of now we are just adding the two queries only. Now we will try to adding the multiple queries. Same time we are going to be a multiple operators as well, which means like a multiple queries and multiple operators. So we are trying to put it into the multiple times. As of now, we are just using for the one single operator. Also, we are using for the two different tables only. So we'll try to be put it into this place. So I have the table like this. I'm going to just combine all the data. So union all. I'm just writing the all the queries into the single statement. Now we will try to understand. So we have the union operator, union all operator, intersect operator, and minus operator. So there are 4 operators actually we are putting into here. So also there are different tables. So T1 table, T2 table, T1 table, T2 table, T1 table. Again and again, I'm just trying to for the different tables. And there are in this time actually I'm not going with the two queries only this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, overall 5 queries, and also I'm using for the 4 different operators. So I'm just going to be write this query into this, and I'm just trying to run into my Snowflake. Before running into this place, I want to know how the query will work. So first of all, we have to do in that manually, then we'll goes to in our run the query, then we'll understand easily understand this is how the union operator will work. Anyway, so first of all, we have select star from T1. So whatever the T1 data is there, then the T1 data will be displaying into here. So which means like a 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all the data will comes to in here. So first of all, it is putting into in this place. Second one is a T2 table. Then that the T2 table also getting the data. So whatever the T2 tables we have, so the same data will be coming into in this place as well. So this is a T2 table. Okay, now we will try to understand T1 and T2. What is a union will do? So union will do combining the both data and removing the duplicate, which means like it is combining both data. So already one is there, so then the second one will be going to be removing. 2 is there, the second 2 is going to be removing. 3 is there, so 3 is also going to be removing. So this is what actually this union operator will do. So I'm just going to be put into here one more thing. I will add the practically. So in here actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what actually we have the T1 table. In here 1, 2, 3, 5. This is what we have the union operator. Now we will try to understand what is the union will do. Union will do for removing the duplicate. And it has the it is taking the result for the unique values only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the unique values. It just removing this value, right? So this is what the union will do. So the next one is T1 table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have the T1 table, right? Okay. So now what is a result will come? So union all what will do? Whatever this record we have, the same record will be placed in here itself as well, right? So just taking in here, putting into here. So this is what the union all will do. So union all will taking the all the data from T1 table to T2 table. It will never going to be deleted. Okay, so the next one is a 1 2 3 5. This is the T2 table. So now it's going to be a intersect. Intersect means it's just displaying the common value only. So which means like 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there.
1, 2,
uh,
3.
exactly. But 4 is not there, right? So 1, 2, 3, common value only will display, right? So and 5 is also is there. So whatever in this 1, 2, 3, 5. So exactly this will coming to in this result. So next one is a minus operator. So minus means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what the T1 table. So now we need to understand what is a minus operator will work. Minus will always works for the unmatched record from the table 1 to table 2. So T1 is already there. T2 2 is also there. 3 is also there.
5.
But 5 is not there. So as of now, our result will coming into the 5 only for this whole query. We'll try to run this query. So our understanding is right or wrong. We are going to be tested. So I'm just ran this one. So now we can see the 5 will come. Now you can understand how the union operator, now the set operator is working. How the set operator is
Yeah.
working? Are you? Yeah.
Yes.
This is what actually the set operator is doing. So anyway, so there are 3 rules we have to follow for this set operator if you are going to be ran this one. So the first rule, rule number 1 is the column data type should be matched, like that they are telling. So column data type should be matched. So what it mean by the column data type? So as of now you don't understand what is a data type, you can just leave as of it. So data type means I'm just telling to for some basic level of introduction. Data type means what are all the data we have to going to be receive in that future. Actually, what are all the data we will get in our table? So I just already told there are 3 type of data only we are receiving our table. So I just showed to that one. So order by class, I think explain that one. Yeah, here you can see. So what are all the type of data we have? Number type of data, character type of data, and date type of data. So these are all the 3 different types of data we will receive in my table. So that is a type they are actually they are telling into in this place as well. The column data type should be matched. This is what actually they are telling. What is a column data type? As of now we are checking, that is a number means number data type, character means character data type, date means date data type. Okay, now I'm going to be run this query. Select first name from employees. So what is the first name column contains? First name has the character type of
Yes.
data, correct? So
Characters.
exactly. So I just ran this one, it's scheme. So now I'm just running the one more query in here. Select last name from employees. Now you can tell if I ran this one, it will work or not. So is it working fine or it will throw the error? So if I ran this query, it will work or it will throw the error. Now I just ran, you can see this will throw the error because we are not using the set operator. Without set operator, we cannot use for the multiple select statement or multiple from statement. It will not comes to the same single query. So if you want to combining both query, you should add for the any set operator into here. I just adding for the union operator in this place. Now you can see automatically it will be coming into the output. Union means like it will be removing the duplicate and it will be displaying the exact output. Okay, so this is working fine because first name also contains the character type of data, last name also contains the character type of data. So that's what the result will be coming into the exactly. So in this case, I'm going to be changing the different data types. So in this place, actually, I'm putting into the salary column. In this place, actually, I'm putting into the name column, which means salary column contains the number type of data, last name column contains the character type of data. If I ran this one, now you'll clearly understand it will throwing the error. Why? Because actually they are started with number column. Same number columns you are trying to put into the character type of data. So we are not understanding, we are not able to get the result. If you are putting to what kind of data in this column you are using, same kind of data you should use in this place as well. So the first query, it has the number column means we need to use for the number type of data only, we need to use in this place as well. If I'm using the salary means, okay, salary is a number column. If I'm using the manager ID, it is also one of the number column, but as per the employees table, I think it is a varchar column. I will check it is working or not. So Yeah, it is working. Anyway, salary is also one of the number column. Manager ID also is one of the number column. So that is the reason it's came. So if you are using the different types of data, then it will throws the error. So you understand for what the first rule. The rule
Yes.
number one is column data type should be matched. Otherwise, it will throws the error. Okay, the rule number two is number of columns should be matched. So which means number of columns should be matched. So this is what actually the rule number two, number of columns. So what is a number of columns? So as of now, we are trying to only single columns. Now I'm going to be adding the few more columns as well. So select first name. Okay. In this case, I'm putting into the last name as well into in this place. Select first name, comma, last name. So now I just ran the first query is a 2 column. The second query is a only 1 column. If I ran like this, it will also throw the error, because how many columns you are asking for the first query, the same number of columns we should use in the second query as well. So invalid number of result columns for the set operator input branches expected 2 but got in 1. So expected 2 means actually they are actually putting into the 2 different column, but they are got into only one single column. So that is the reason it throws the error. So it should be, what we need to do, we have to use for both same number of columns we should use in here itself as well, and also we have to use for the other otherwise we can use for the, in this place we can remove the one column, and in here also we can remove the one column will work. So if I am run like this one, it will exactly coming to the output, I will show to you. Now you can see there are both column will be coming to the display, which means like how many columns we are using in the first select statement. Same kind of like a same number of column we should use in the select statement, sorry, second statement as well. So this is what the number of columns should be matched. So what are the columns we are asking into the first select statement, the same number of columns should be used into second select statement as well. So the third one is order by will comes to the order by class should be end of the statement. So order by statement, already I told order by statement should comes into the end of the statement. So when it comes to the order by class, order by, so now you can see I just added for the select statement from statement where where, and after that I used for the order by statement. So for this query actually it's coming to the end of the statement is order by. For this query we are going to be understand, so what is the end of the statement. So already we added for the in this select statement and from statement. So now I'm trying to add for the order by, and here order by, if I put the first name, so what will comes to the output. So if you put like this means it will throws the error, because order now in this time, in this case you can see this is output will comes to the error, because in this case order by always comes to the end of the statement, but you can see this is not the end of the statement. So the query is not ending in from till here. So the query going to be ending on in here itself only. So it is started from here and it's reading from here, then it's coming to the order by class. Order by class it's going to be a end of the statement, then now it's coming to the second line. Now it is not going to be reading, because once the order by it's come, then that is the end of the statement. So we are not going to be order by on this place, we just using the order by on in end of the statement. So in this place only we need to use. So this is what actually the third order by first name or something, whatever the column you want the ordering, so those column you can use. Then if I ran this one, then automatically the output will come. Because of the order by we should use for the end of the statement. So end of the statement is not like not in here. After the from we are considering this end of the statement, but if I will coming into the set operator, it is not a end of the statement. So the thing is whenever it's coming into the whole end of the query, that only will comes to the end of the statement. So this is what the third point. That fourth point is also we have. The fourth point is the if you write the query, it will always take the okay. if you ran the query, both query, then what will comes to the output, like what will the column name it will be going to be output, we need to check. So you can see if I ran this both query. Now before that, I want to show to what is the column name of T1 and T2. If I put like this and I just I ran this T1 table only, so you can see what is a column name they are actually putting into here. They are putting into the column name as a T1, that is a column name. And that this table if I ran this second query as well, it is coming into the T2 only. Okay, if I ran both query, what is the column name will come? So we need to understand that column name. If I ran this one, you can see if I ran the both query, the column name always coming from the first statement. It is not going to be second statement. So that column name should be coming with the first statement. Column is picking from the first statement. Okay, so it is always picking from the first statement only. So you understand how the how this these are all the this is a set operators. So you got it,
Yeah.
the set operators. So actually the set operator is used for combining the both queries, and we have the four different set operators. Union means combining and removing the duplicate. Union all means combining and it will never remove the duplicate. Intersect means it is displaying only common data. Minus means it will not consider as a T2 table. It is just considered as a T1 table only. So like I just missed to complete this statement. Combining all the queries and displaying the first statement query only. First displaying the first statement result only. First statement unmatched record. We can put like this, unmatched. So combining all the queries, it just combining all the queries and displaying the first statement unmatched record. First statement means this is the first statement. Okay, so then the rule is like we can put it into the multiple queries and multiple operators within a single statement. If you want to run means you should use for the in between the set operators. Then the rules we have put it into these are the rules. So this is what actually the set operators. Now you are understanding how the set operator is working.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next topic is a very big topic. Actually, almost we covered all the operators in this place itself. So I just show to the operators. Yeah, so these are all the operators. Almost we are covered all the operators: arithmetic, character, comparison, special operator, logical operator, and set operators. So these are all operators are covered. So the next topic is a very big topic, which is a functions.